Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to open the settings, and now let's scroll to find always on display and lock screen. Now we can enter it, and as you can see in the second position we've got the sleep option. The section in the second position, and on the very first position we've got the sleep. So let's tap, and as you can see right here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set kind of short time, so 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Currently we've got 1 minute option applied. As you can see, this option is highlighted and marked, and basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.